Hi, welcome to Susan's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm making a cool and refreshing carrot raisin salad. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so this is a quick and easy year-round salad, but we particularly love this in the summertime. I always try to do it a little earlier in the day so that the flavors have a chance to blend together by dinner time. So a little after lunch that I'm making this, and then we'll be having this for our dinner tonight. Now the first thing I need to do is to clean my carrots. I have just one of my plastic bags that I'm going to scrape the carrot into, and then after that we'll move on to the next part. Does not take a lot of ingredients, so you probably have everything you need in your pantry already. Now I'm going to just sort of give you some approximate measurements, not really specifics, because this is one of those things that you do to taste. So, I'm going to give you a nice basis to start with, and then from there you can tweak it to how you and your family like it. I'm starting out with 4 nice-sized carrots. They're not tiny, they're not huge, they're just sort of nice medium-sized carrots. I'm just going to keep doing this until I get all 4 of them scraped. Alright, there's all 4 of them scraped. Now I'm going to slide my cutting board over here, and I'm going to cut the ends off of each of them. Okay, and goodbye carrots. Time for the fun and easy part. Shred the carrots, and I just have my box grater. I'm going to use the large side, and I'm going to very quickly run the carrot up and down it. Be careful when you start getting down to the smaller pieces like this. You don't want to grate your finger into the carrots. So I always stop around this point. And there's 1 carrot. Move that into my bowl. And this is the bowl that I'm going to mix it, store it, and serve it from. So let's continue on with the other 3 carrots. Me and my microphones, I keep having problems with them. I discovered that at some point while I was recording that I apparently hit the button on my lapel mic and turned off my microphone. So I'm going to walk you through everything. I will pop it up into a picture-in-picture if we need to, so that you can see what I've done, and I can explain through here what I've done. So I had 4 medium-sized carrots that I grated using my box grater. Put all of that into my glass bowl. From there I added somewhere between 1/4 and 1/3 of a cup of Duke's mayo. Not sponsored, just my favorite mayo. To me it's the only one to use. Mixed all of that together. Then I added somewhere between 1/3 and 1/2 cup of raisins. I started with 1/3, it needed more, so later I added more, and it came out to about 1/2 cup. So I did that. Then I added a nice heaping spoon of crushed pineapple with some of the juice, and then I added about another spoonful of just the juice to it, so that it was sweet and tart enough. And then I sprinkled a little bit of salt into it. Stirred all of that up together, tasted it. It was perfect. and now I've got the cover on it, and I'm ready to put it in the refrigerator where it will sit until dinner tonight. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The full recipe is in the description box below, along with a tip on what to do if you don't have any crushed pineapple and you don't want to run to the store. While you're there checking out the recipe, if you did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up, letting me and everyone else know that you liked it. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you find out every time I upload a new video to YouTube. Thanks for joining me today. God bless.